flashy quick, but your brush will make it stick. And you shoulder the weight you can take. You swagger from the strain